If you're sending the same demo link, the same book a demo page, or the same generic follow-up to every single prospect, you're probably losing conversions without even realizing it. Because not every buyer wants the same story. A founder, an enterprise admin, and a CS leader should not all get the exact same experience. So in this video, I'm going to show you how RouteHub solves this by helping you turn one link into a personalized journey and exactly how to set it up. So here's the problem. Most teams either send everyone the same traditional book a demo screen or send the same generic set of follow-up resources after a demo, no matter who the buyer is. And that breaks down pretty fast because the information a smaller growth stage lead needs is completely different than what an enterprise buyer might want to see. And the content that helps champions internally sell your product are completely different from the content that an executive needs to evaluate it. So what ends up happening? Your buyers end up having to dig around for relevance, and your team needs to manually tailor every single follow-up, and you end up with lower engagement and weaker qualification and more unnecessary back and forth. So you ultimately end up with one size fits nobody. And that's exactly what RouteHub is designed to fix. RouteHub is a visual workflow builder that lives directly inside of Supademo that helps you collect information, understand viewer intent, and route people based on their responses, and then serve them the right demos, resources, PDFs, videos, and next steps automatically. So instead of building separate links and separate experiences for every single audience, you can create one smart journey that adapts to each viewer. Let me walk you through exactly how this works. This right here is our RouteHub workflow. And the nice part is you can start with a form node, an interest node, or a mix of both, depending on how much information you want to capture and how much friction you're comfortable introducing into the experience. If you're wanting a lighter weight flow, then maybe you start with interest only. If you want a stronger qualification, you might want to start with a form. Or you can chain together both to capture both fit and intent before routing. So now let's walk through each of these pieces. This right here is the form node. Here we can collect details like name, email, company, and then more useful qualification fields like company size, region, or use case. And this is where the value starts to stack up because these aren't just fields that you collect and forget about. These become routing signals. So for example, company size might help you split SMB from enterprise, while region might help you send, prospect, to the right team or localized content. And use case might help you send them to the most relevant collection of demos and resources. You can also use these inputs to disqualify viewers entirely and send them to a softer path if they're not the right fit. So instead of collecting form data just for the sake of lead capture, you're collecting data that actively shapes the viewer's next experience. And right here, we can also connect integrations. For every submission can flow directly into tools like your CRM, which means your qualification data and viewer activity aren't trapped in the workflow. They're immediately usable by sales, marketing, or CS. Now, let's take a look at the interest node. This is where a viewer tells you what they actually care about. You can add as many different features, use cases, or topics as you would like. Really, anything you typically use to qualify or segment users or understand what matters directly to them. So maybe that's product features, or maybe it's use cases. Maybe it's implementation topics, onboarding priorities, security, integrations, or team workflows. The point is, instead of guessing what a buyer wants based on who they are, you're letting them tell you direct. And that gives you a much richer signal for routing than a form alone. Next up is a route node. This is really the brain of the workflow. This is where we can create the different paths a viewer can take and the conditions that determine who goes where. We can mix and match both form fields with interest responses and build as much logic as we need using and or rules. So for example, we might say if someone is a larger company and cares more about security, let's route them to an enterprise-focused showcase of demos, PDFs, and links. If they're interested in a specific use case, let's send them to a more tailored demo collection. If they're not a good fit, we'll send them to a lighter educational destination instead of a hard sales motion. That's what makes RouteHub so useful. It doesn't just collect information. It uses that information to personalize the entire viewer's journey. Once someone is routed, they ultimately land in what we call a showcase. And a showcase is where you deliver the right content experience for that audience. A showcase can include a mix of interactive demos, PDFs, links, embeds, CTAs, and much more. That means you're not just limited to sending a single demo or a single follow-on asset. You can package the exact set of resources that makes sense for that viewer. So a sales prospect might see a product demo, a security deck, and a booking CTA, whereas a new customer might see onboarding resources, setup steps, as well as training specific content. Finally, let's cover why RouteHub works so well across so many different use cases. For example, marketing teams might use it to personalize campaign traffic or book a demo experiences. Sales teams can use it to send one smart follow-up link after every single demo with different content for different stakeholders and champions. Customer success teams can use it to create onboarding journeys by role, plan, or use case. And lifecycle or expansion teams can use it to surface the right features or upgrade paths and education based on what a customer actually cares about and is interested in. So the same workflow structure can support qualification, follow-up, onboarding, and expansion all from one system. And on top of that, RouteHub gives you full visibility into how viewers are engaging. You can view who's viewed what paths they've taken, where they dropped off, which leads were captured, and which routes are actually performing. And more importantly, that data will flow directly into your CRM. So you're not just personalizing the experience, you're actually improving the handoff, enriching your lead data, and making follow-up much more informed. So if you're already creating demos, docs, videos, or follow-up resources, RouteHub helps you turn all of that into one consolidated, smarter journey. One link, personalized paths, better qualification, and better follow-ups, and a much more relevant experience for every single. So if all of this sounds interesting to you, go ahead and build your first RouteHub and stop sending the same experience to everyone.